Welcome to the PromptPay demo. PromptPay is a revolutionary new tool that is changing the way government agencies request and accept payments from their citizens, eliminating the need for employees to handle sensitive payment information over the phone. With PromptPay, the agency is able to send a payment request to the customer via text message or email, and the customer can make the payment from their own computer or mobile device, ensuring that the customer's payment information is secure. This demo will show you how to create a payment request, what your customers will see when they receive the request, and we'll explore all of the features of the clerk report. Let's get started. To create a payment request, simply log into the application at promptpay.accessidaho.org. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Create Payment Request page. Under Service Information, your service will be listed here. If you have multiple services, you'll need to select the desired service from the drop-down. For this demo, we're going to be using our yoga service. Enter the amount owed and a short description for your customer to see. You can also enter a unique identifier, such as an account or permit number. This information will display in the billing report and should help identify how the funds should be applied once the payment is made. Although the payments can be viewed in the billing report, you can also enter your email address to receive a copy of the customer's receipt. Some clerks use this tool as a helpful reminder to check for new payments. Next, you will need to enter the customer's information. A name is required, as well as the delivery method. PromptPay allows you to choose between a cell number for text message, an email address, or both. Once you've entered your payment details and customer information, you'll be able to compose the message your user will receive. For email, 1,000 characters are allowed, and 140 are allowed for text messages. Don't worry, each field will give you a character countdown so you can edit your message accordingly. If you've set up the service to pre-populate your message, you can always click into the field and change the text according to your needs. Once you've entered all of the necessary information, click the Review button to verify that all of the information is correct before the request is sent. You're now ready to send your request. Click the Send Payment Request button. We will show you what a customer will see a little bit later, but first, let's cover bulk requests. Have several customers with balances due? With PromptPay, you can send all of your requests at once. To get started, click on the Create Bulk Payments tab. If you don't see this option, please contact your supervisor or Access Idaho to have the appropriate roles assigned for access. Just like before, you'll see your service listed in the Service Information area. If you have multiple services, you'll see a drop-down here where you can select the service that you wish to create the bulk payments for. Enter your email address if you'd like a copy of the receipt. To add your bulk recipient list, you'll need to download and fill in the CSV or Excel template. All of this information is required except for the unique identifier. But remember, the unique identifier is meant to help your agency identify which customer made the payment and how it should be applied. Please note, if the required fields are left blank or additional columns are added, the bulk upload will fail. Once the template has been filled in, save it to a safe place on your computer where it's easy to find and upload it via the Choose File button. Once you see the name of your file appear, click Review. If your upload was successful, a confirmation message will display on your screen. If it was unsuccessful, another message will display with the details of the errors that need correcting. Before continuing, you'll need to correct the errors within the spreadsheet, resave your document, and try uploading again. Once your file has been successfully uploaded, you'll be able to review your requests in the Payment section. Any errors can be corrected by clicking the Cancel and Start Over link just below the Send Payments button. Once you've verified that all the information is correct, your payments are ready to be sent. You'll receive a verification message when your payment requests have been successfully processed. Unfortunately, a payment request cannot be edited once it has been sent to the customer, but we will show you how to cancel and redo a request a little later in this demo. Now that your requests have been sent, we will show you a little bit of the customer experience. Your request will be delivered to your customer's mobile device via text message or to their email, depending on the method you selected when creating the payment request. The message they receive will include a Google shortened URL directly to the application where they will be able to see the details of your request. Upon clicking the Pay Now button, they will be asked for their payment method. Upon completion, a receipt will display on their screen and will also be sent to either their email or mobile device via text. Now that you've received a payment, we will show you how to locate it in the Clerk Report. We will start by navigating to the Clerk Report tab. This is where you'll locate the status of the sent requests. Here you can run reports for all requests associated with a specific unique identifier by date range, by service, or by the status of the request. You can also search for only requests included in a bulk upload by checking the bulk upload box below the search field. Once you've entered all of your criteria, click the Get Payments button. Your results will display on your screen below. The report automatically defaults to display 10 entries at a time, but you can change this by clicking the Show dropdown and choosing the desired number. All of the columns can be used to sort your payment requests and bring the most pertinent information to the top according to your need. You can also export the list to a CSV file by simply clicking the Export to CSV button. Next up, how to resend or cancel and redo a payment request. To resend a request, simply run a report for outstanding payments, find the request you would like to resend, and click the Resend link. A confirmation message will display to verify that you're sure you'd like the notification to be resent. Once the Yes Resend button is clicked, the confirmation message will close and the table will update to reflect the most recent date and the change in the number of requests sent. As we mentioned before, a payment request cannot be edited once it has been sent. In the event an error was made while entering the customer's information, simply cancel the request and create a brand new one. This can be done by using the Cancel link in the Outstanding Payments report. A confirmation box will again display on your screen and you'll be asked for the reason for your cancellation. Once you've clicked the Yes Cancel button, you're free to create a new payment request. This concludes the PromptPay demo. It's our hope that this application will make payment handling a little more secure for your customers and staff, as it removes the handling of sensitive information by financial clerks. For more information or questions that weren't covered in this tutorial, please contact Access Idaho at 208-332-0102.